Hey man, what's up? We're gonna kick off the video with me taking my boy Jay's hair down to a 1.5, cause he got waves. So 1.5 is probably the ideal length for his hair texture, hair type, and that's what he likes. So that 1.5 make his waves bust, if y'all know what I mean. No, I'm playing. But yeah, when I brush it after I cut it down, it's just to give it that look. Now I'm going in with my trimmers, and I'm just, making that first primary guideline. And then I'm going up about half an inch with the lever all the way open. And then I take it down to halfway, and then, just get out that bottom line by closing it all the way. And then I, turn the clippers around. Now I put the one guard on, going up, making another guideline. Then I put the zero guard, taking out that bottom line. Then I'm going up slowly but surely. And, keep opening the lever whenever you go up. And then I put the 1.5 guard on, just so I can make that blend look slick and seamless. Yes sir, yes sir. And I put the one guard back on, and I went back over it. Now I'm detailing. So yeah. And now we're gonna go into the back. I'm not gonna use my trimmers on these because my clipper zero gap. But then go up about an inch, and then same process as we did on the left side. And yeah, but I'm going up like every guard instead of yeah. Look at it coming together. Look at it coming together. I'm gonna just let y'all watch, cause man, I'm mesmerized myself. It's my first time doing this, so it ain't gonna be perfect, but people ask for a tutorial, so I'm giving it to you. Now I'm lining my boy up, start in the middle, go over to the right side, then go to the left. But make sure you're going straight. Then I throw some hair fibers in his hair just to give it that look and the little light spots. And I come in with the magic pencil, and then I line it back up. Then I'm going with my straight razor, getting them right crispy. And now look at that final product. Oh my God, boy, you in there? Yo, y'all go give my boy a follow. Yes sir.